Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of receiving notifications by email for friend requests on Facebook, right from your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Log in to your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the notifications menu. Step 3. Next, click on the three dots to access additional options. Step 4. Click on Notification Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the Notification Settings page, click on Friends Requests to open the Friend Request notification settings. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Email, and there you have it. You've successfully set up email notifications for friend requests on Facebook. Now, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect with new friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Receive notifications by email for friend requests on Facebook right from your PC.